Hi everyone! Make a super homemade dish today. But you can't get tired of eating stir-fried tofu with mushrooms. Tofu golden. Mushrooms are tender. One pot can do it. Simple and easy to operate throughout the process. The meal really can't stop. Prepare a piece of tofu, 350 grams. Cut into small squares like this for later use. Prepare 200 grams of white jade mushrooms, 200 G-crab mushrooms. Tear the mushrooms into small flowers. This is the prepared ingredients. Tofu mushroom, shredded garlic and red pepper, a little scallion. Make a sauce in advance. 5G sugar, 3G black pepper, 3G fresh matsutake mushrooms, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, a spoonful of oyster sauce, small half bowl of water. Mix well. Prepare another small spoonful of starch. Add a small amount of water. Stir well and set aside. Add a small amount of oil to the pan. After the oil is hot, put the tofu in piece by piece. Slow fry over medium-low heat. Sprinkle a little salt on the tofu, a taste. Fry the tofu until golden brown on 4 sides. Fried tofu requires patience. Fry slowly, piece by piece. The aroma of tofu gradually became stronger. Serve the fried tofu for later use. Oil in the pan. After the oil is hot, put in the minced garlic and shredded red peppers and salt. Add a little scallion and stir fry until fragrant, then pour in the mushrooms and stir fry over high heat. Fry until the mushrooms start to soften. When a little water comes out, add the sauce you made before. Then pour in the fried tofu. Cover the pot and simmer for 3 minutes on low heat. Let the tofu fully absorb the sauce. Open the lid after 3 minutes. The fragrance rushed out immediately. The flavors of tofu and mushrooms are completely integrated. Drizzle in a little water starch. Make the soup thicker. Sprinkle a handful of scallions at the end. Drizzle with a little sesame oil. Color and fragrance. Stir-fried tofu with mushrooms is out of the pot. Milky white mushrooms, mixed with golden tofu. A thin layer of sauce is wrapped on top. It looks delicious to eat. The taste of 2 ingredients when mixed together. Special coordination. Mushrooms are crisp and elastic, with a unique fragrance. Tofu is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Suck up the umami of the mushrooms. It's juicy when you bite it. The mushrooms in this dish are tender, tofu flavor, rich sauce, another special meal. If you like it, remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.